Hey guys, you know what I just discovered yesterday? I was totally stuck juggling notes, tasks, and random docs all over the place. Then I found Notion, and let me tell you, it completely saved me. So today, I'm going to show you step by step how Notion can change the way you organize your entire life. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be like, where has this been all my life? Notion gives you the freedom to design your setup exactly how you want. And the best part, you don't need to be techie at all. If you can drag, drop, and type, you're good to go. And honestly, if you're tired of sticky notes on your wall, Notion is the clean upgrade you need. All right, let's dive in. Step 1, open your browser and search Notion Login. Click on the official site. And if you don't have an account, it's totally free to create one in less than 2 minutes. Once you're inside, click on New Page on the left sidebar. Let's name this one Productivity Hub. This will be your control center. You can change the header color, add a fun emoji, I'm picking a rocket, and boom, you have a personalized dashboard. Adding structure. Click inside the page and add a table. Now, here's where the magic starts. Rename the first column to Task. Add a column called Status with options like To Do, In Progress, Done. Add a Due Date column for deadlines. Add a Priority column with High, Medium, Low. This little setup is already more powerful than any to-do list app out there. Views and filters. Now check this out. Notion lets you switch how you view your tasks. Calendar view to see deadlines. Kanban board view like Trello to drag tasks through stages. Or list view for a clean, minimal look. You can even filter for high priority tasks due today with just 2 clicks. That's like having a personal assistant. Notion AI Demo. Inside any page, just type something like create a weekly planner for work and personal goals. And Notion AI instantly generates a beautiful template. It saves you hours. Templates and projects. Want something pre-built? On the sidebar, click Templates. You'll find ready-made setups for product management, content planning, and even habit tracking. Click one and boom! You've got a fully designed dashboard with progress bars, tasks, and deadlines ready to customize. Notes and docs. Let's create another page called Notes. Add an emoji like a writing. And this is where you can keep meeting notes, lecture notes, or even random ideas. You can format text, highlight important lines, add dividers, or drop in images and files. Teamwork and sharing. If you're working with a team, Notion makes collaboration easy. You can tag teammates, assign tasks, leave comments, and upload files directly inside the product page. No more digging through email threads. Everything lives in one space. Your Notion account syncs across your laptop, tablet, and phone. So whether you're at your desk or waiting for coffee, you can update your tasks and never miss a beat. So that's how I went from totally overwhelmed to feeling completely in control. Thanks to Notion. It's simple, powerful, and honestly kind of fun to use. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs some organization in their life, and hit subscribe because I'll be sharing more easy, beginner-friendly tutorials every week. Thanks for watching. I'm Kimberly Quinn, and I'll see you in the next one.